Hello and welcome to this video on attaching files to records in NAV using nAblement. To get started, we'll go to the item list. From the Enhanced Information FactBox, which is on the right-hand side, you can see that we currently have 0 files attached to this record. We can attach several file types to this record: documents, PDFs, images, etc. If we have a file, we can drag and drop it over this area to attach it to the highlighted record. Once uploaded, we are asked to class it as something. You can add this to a list or just select an option. Now that it has been attached, we can open it. This works for any type of file, but we also have Get Excel, Get Email, and Get Word functions. This will take any Excel, Word, or Outlook email that we have open and import it into the record. Here we have an Excel document open, so we can just press Get Excel and it will be uploaded. All you need to do is class it and press OK. Notice that files are also marked with version numbers and created by information, so you know who uploaded it and when they did so. The Get Email works just the same and is really useful if we want to attach an email from a customer. Maybe the record we are attaching it to isn't an item, but it is an incident or an appointment. You could then use the Get Email button to quickly attach it for later use. You can also open the file attachment list to view, delete, or add new ones from there. There is also a document library that you can use to upload documents that aren't necessarily related to a recorded NAV, for example, an IT policy or code of conduct documents. Here we can just create a record for them and then upload them from the right-hand side.